Hello, Mr. Giuliani. I made a baseball game for my project. I wanted to make this program because I used to play baseball game on my phone when I was young, and I wanted to try to make one with my coding skills I've learned so far. In order to make this game, I had to use a bunch of if statements and random. And I also decide to use a while loop to run this game. In this game, the user can choose either pitcher or batter as their role, and they can choose how many innings they want to play. Mm, when the user chooses to play as a pitcher, then he can throw either ball or strike as their command. When he chooses to throw a ball, then the computer has a lower chance to hit a hit, but there's a possibility that the computer is not gonna swing for that ball. On the other hand, when the user chooses to throw a strike, the computer has higher chance to hit the hit, and the computer also has a chance to hit a home run. But the user can get the strike easily from the computer. And also, when the user chooses to play batter, then he can either hit or wait. Over here, when the user chooses to play batter, then he can play hit or wait. And computer will throw either ball or strike to the user, and when the user hit the strike, then the user has a higher chance to hit a hit. But when the user hit the ball, then it's but then he has a lower chance to hit a hit. And the pitch is totally random on the it depends on the computer. After each command, it shows the data uh, which includes the ball count, strike count, how many bases are loaded, the out count, how many points you've lost when you're playing pitcher, and how many points you score when you're batter. After they finish their game, it says it's game over, and it shows the result, which which contains how many balls the user have thrown, and how many and what was your earned runs for this user when this guy's playing pitcher. And for batters, it shows the hitting rate. And I really wanted to make this game well communicated with the user, so I made this program pretty straightforward. And also, I wanted to make this program really interesting, so I put a lot of soundtrack here. So as you can see here, when the program starts, the opening soundtrack will be going on, and then when the program ends, there's gonna be a clapping sound and cheering for the user, and every single movement it has a soundtrack. So when the pitcher throw the ball, then there's gonna be a ball throwing ball sound. And yeah, I just like the real baseball game. I put a lot of possible outcomes in this game. For example, there's a foul, and there's a fly out, and there's double play, ground ball, and double hit, and a home run, and those kind of things. And thank you for listening. And that was my baseball game.